contribution that tourism has made to this economy and to this country. As you're aware, it's our #1 foreign exchange earner. In 2014, we had over $2 billion US earned by this industry. It is good that it earns the US dollars, but outside of that, you have to look at all the opportunities that obtain and that's around the tourism. This year's theme, 1 billion tourists, 1 billion opportunities. It is really an industry that is tied into so many other industries. And you have to look at it holistically and look at the contribution in its completion, because tourism, I think, is at 11% of the economy at this time, GDP. It is an interesting industry, lots of opportunities for the youngsters. There's a significant growth taking place in the industry, albeit slowly, but I think it's significant because it's steady and it's consistent and the nature of the industry. We are looking at several new hotel rooms going in. We are looking at several new facilities being opened, and the industry continues to grow in terms of the employment of the younger people. So again, we are at 1 billion tourists, 1 billion opportunity. This year we'll celebrate this week, the 27th to the 3rd of October, which is in line with the International World Tourism Organization, World Tourism Day, which is the start of the celebrations. There are several linkages that takes place with tourism in manufacturing, in the various areas of food and beverage. The other day we had the opportunity to go up into the hills of Montego Bay. We're talking farming and the linkages of tourism with farming in the western side of the island. Well, throughout the island here it is rural. A lot of the farmers, they make their subsistence from tourism. That's some of the things that we make that connection. A lot of the employment of the people in that region is through tourism.
With respect to Tourism Awareness Week, or I should say coming on the heels of JPEX, we would like to continue providing opportunities for our local sector. So, for the businesses to be stronger through supplying the tourism sector, principally with inputs that are used. The tourism sector uses everything that everybody uses, but the linkages hub or the linkages secretariat is really pushing for the tourism sector to absorb more of these inputs. So with respect to Tourism Awareness Week, what you will have from the Tourism Linkages Hub is a number of businesses displaying what products they provide that can be used in the tourism industry.